In the next few minutes I'm going to show you 2 ways you can have writing help using ChatGPT to help you get amazing results. Hi, thanks for tuning into the Book Marketing and Book Promotion Tools Reviews channel, and in today's video, our topic is all about getting writing help using ChatGPT. If you have not done so already, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Before we get into how you can get writing help using ChatGPT, I need to make sure you understand that ChatGPT is an amazing tool. Remember, it is only a tool. Your results are based on the inputs you provide it. If you aren't satisfied with what you get from ChatGPT, keep chatting with the tool until you get what you are looking for. The better your inputs are, the better your output will be. Okay, on to the tips. The first tip is using ChatGPT to help with brainstorming. If you have a topic, and you are not sure of where to start, get writing help using ChatGPT so that those ideas can start flowing. Let's say I want to write a book about getting better sleep quality. Look at this example here. I typed in the prompt, create a list of ways I can improve my sleep quality. Look at the output I received. This is a great way to get those creative juices flowing. Let's say you like the output and are interested in building off of these ideas, but you need help organizing your thoughts. Well, that leads us to tip number 2, and that is using ChatGPT to develop an outline for you. Working with our last example, let's use the prompt, use the list above to create a book outline for me. Pretty impressive, wouldn't you agree? Were these tips helpful? Are you interested in more tips like this? If so, please comment below and let us know. Thank you so much for watching this video. Today, I shared 2 quick ways you can get writing help using ChatGPT. If you have not done so already, please like this video, subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below. See you in the next video.